How to fix the time management is not showing on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If the time spent or time management feature is missing on your Instagram, make sure to follow the steps. First of all, ensure you're using the latest version of Instagram. This can be done by heading towards Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and updating the app. Once that is done, the issue could also be because of the glitches or temporary issues. To fix it, long press Instagram and go to app info. Tap on the third option of storage and cache and then clear the cache. Now that this is done, head over to your Instagram, log out and log in back again. Before that, make sure to close all the background applications. Head over to your settings and privacy and then tap on your activity. Scroll down to the bottom and you must see the option of time spent. However, if it is still missing, you might have to reinstall the Instagram. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.